Glam Fam?
What up, Glam Fam?
Welcome to our channel. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Lindsay.
And we are 5678 Glam.
You know what it's time for?
What time is it?
It's time to go back to school.
Well,
Time for back to school, time to go back to work, back to the grind.
you need a quick, you need an affordable, you need a back to school makeup tutorial right here, right now.
The truth is, we did not wake up like this. If you'd like to see how we got this look using all affordable makeup products from the drugstore,
Just keep watching.
Let's go. Let's start off with primer first. It's very important you prime your skin. I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime.
And I'm using the Catrice Prime and Fine Nude Glow Primer. This is just going to give a nice glowy base because I am not going to wear foundation. Because we don't have time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for foundation. I like this primer because it's moisturizing. And sometimes if you forget to put on a moisturizer, your primer can do that for you. Next, onto concealer. So I'm going to use the Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage Concealer, and I'm just going to do that a little bit under the eye, and I'm also going to use it as an eye primer.
And I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be using this under my eyes to conceal my dark circles because I'm always tired. Back to school means dark circles, except if you have them permanently.
Just put a little bit. I don't go crazy.
I go crazy. Using the Morphe sponge that I got in my Ulta haul. So this is really like a first impressions for me because I've never used this before. And I'm going to be taking it all over the lid as well to prime. And to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Contour Palette. Obviously, you can see the other side is missing, but I'm going to use this banana shade.
If you're wondering why I'm not setting it, it's because I have dry skin, so sometimes I don't like to use a powder. It makes it look a little too dry, so I'm going to skip it.
I'm oily, so it's necessary, or else I'm going to crease. So, next step, now that we are looking wide awake. So next, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Baked Bronzer, and this is in the shade Los Cabos. This is so affordable, it's only $3.
I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Bronzer. And especially if you're going back to school, no time for the beach, no time for the pool, you gotta get that bronze glow. The more bronzer, the better, to be honest.
I can't stop.
Why would you want to? So instead of doing a whole eyeshadow look, because in the morning, does anybody have time for an eyeshadow look?
I don't.
No. Here's a little hack. You could take a fluffy brush from Sticks and Sponges, dip it in the bronzer, okay, and just put it in the crease. That's it. Boom.
And there's your eyeshadow look.
One and done. Dip it.
I think I need to do it.
Yeah, do it.
I'm going to do the same thing and dip into my bronzer and use this as a nice crease shade. It's just so easy.
Next, because I'd love to look glowy, I'm using the Wet n Wild Highlighting Powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petals.
I'm going to take my favorite Colourpop highlighter in the shade Smokin' Whistles, and I'm going to be using this as a base, underneath my other highlight.
Listen, is highlighting essential? Yes. Highlight your cupid's bow,
nose, other cheek.
You might need highlighters for school. Don't show up with this. This is not what your teacher means when she asks for highlighters.
It is.
Or it is, if I'm your teacher.
I don't want to blind everyone. Next, because I just can't have enough highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in the shade Radiant. I'm going to be taking these top shades and going on top of the Colourpop highlighter. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline blush. I got this at Target. In the shade Coral, and I'm going to be applying that to my cheeks.
I'm going to be using the Burt's Bees blush in the shade Toasted Cinnamon. Kathleen Lights made me buy it.
This is just going to add some color back to our faces and make us look fresh for school. I'm going to go in with this big powder brush and just blend it all together, so I don't have any harsh lines.
Since we're almost finished with the face, we're going to take the highlighters that we were using and we're going to highlight underneath the brow bone and in the inner corner as well.
I'm going to put some of the highlight shade on my lid as well, just to make the eye look a little bit more fun. Using your finger makes it look better though. And this is so easy, like you could do this honestly in the car on your way there, right?
At a red light. At a stop sign.
But
not
don't
while you're
drive.
driving. Not when you are driving. Also, you could carpool, and when your friend drives, you could do your makeup.
That's right.
That's what I do. Thanks, Sam.
Next up is brows, and I'm going to take my Essence Make Me Brow in the shade Brownie Brows, and I'm going to add some color to my brows.
And I'm going to be taking the Brow Gal Instant Tint. We got this in our BoxyCharm, and I'm just going to go through because it adds like those fibers. It's a tinted brow gel with microfibers, so it'll give the appearance of fuller brows.
That's right.
Without the hassle.
That's right.
I wonder what we're going to get in our September BoxyCharm.
I wonder. I'd like to see what products we get in our September BoxyCharm. Let us know. Next, I'm going to take the Brow Gal Convertible Brow, and I'm going to, I just removed the entire top off of it. I'm just going to fill in the front part of my brows. That's it. Want to know something funny? And this is true.
Yeah.
When I was in high school, I would set my alarms to wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning every single day to do a full face of makeup, like full face, foundation, everything, full eyeshadow look, a wing, everything. Yep. One time I truly did not go to first period because I stayed home to do my wing.
What? Why?
I know.
I mean, I get it.
My parents were like, what are you doing? I was like, a wing. I gotta fix it.
That's wild.
I had missed gym class for it. And now that the brows are done, I'm going to take my Essence Lash and Brow Gel, and I'm going to run this through my brows to keep them in place, because sometimes if you're running to class, they could just
slide right off. And I'm using the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel to set them in place.
This was like the first brow gel that I started to like. Next step! Quick, do it fast, you have class soon. Time is ticking.
Go for a period. Over this room.
I'm curling mostly my hair and then some of my eyelash.
Eyelash extension. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is my favorite step and sometimes the only step if I'm really in a rush.
Yep. I think this is the most important step. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. It is the best mascara in the world. Better than Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir, and that's the tea.
I never put mascara on at home. My carpool buddy and I, when we get to school, we park the car, we find a spot, we park the car and we put our mascara on before we go into the building.
I do it at red lights. The thing about this is once you're in college, it just doesn't matter anymore. Like, I wasn't doing my makeup as much.
Yeah, if you're ever in a rush and you really don't have time for anything, I feel like the two essentials are mascara and bronzer.
Yeah.
That's usually.
I would say my two essentials are mascara and Carmex. We're just doing the same thing that we did on the top on our bottom lashes. So the look is almost finished. We just have to do lips. I'm going to be taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeleine. It's a nice nude, but it's a little bit of a darker nude. Today I'm going to mix two glosses from Colourpop. One is in the shade Moonchild, which you bought for me. Yeah. I did not. Yeah, the Kathleen Lights. You bought me Dream Street and this. Oh my god. Whatever. And Fairy Floss. I put Moonchild all over, and then I'm going to put Fairy Floss just on the center. And this is something that I do reapply throughout the day. For sure. I'm going to be taking my favorite facial spray by Badescu. I'm just going to spray this to make all of the powders blend in nicely and look more natural. Okay. Good? So this completes our finished look using all drugstore products. It was quick, it was affordable, it was everything you need back to school. Early in the morning, it's just tough to get ready sometimes. So it is. We hope this made it easier for you if you're going back to school, going back to work. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye! Get up! We have to get ready for school! Oh, try again.
Hey!
Hey, what's up?
Okay, honestly, we woke up like this, so you don't need a tutorial.
Welcome back to my channel.
To know how to get ready.
They don't. They need to.
Well, relax! I'm gonna be late for the bus.
No! Hurry up!
I missed the bus.
Get up! You have to get ready!
I missed the bus.
And I'm just going to sit here and stare.
What do you think we're doing? Just sitting here doing our makeup for fun? Oh no. Okay. Goodbye! Okay, just enough. Click out.
No!
Watch another one of our videos before you leave, please.
Come on.